Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 4 and let me share with you how to turn on and how to manage the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we need to open the camera app. So let's find it and tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. Location, it's up to you completely. And now we are in the standard photo mode. So we can open the more options, which are in this configuration right here on the left. So just tap on it. And now we can scroll in order to find the timer. As you can see, we've got it, so just tap on it. And in this device, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option I'd like to use. And as you can see right here at the top, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully applied the timer. Moreover here, this icon is highlighted. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of feedback here, any kind of information that we've got the timer applied. So you can be surprised if you forgot that you've got the timer set, but you can always open this section and you can check this this icon. All right, now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, our device will count down from 10, 5, or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works, and of course you can, oh, that was quite a delay, to be honest. And all you have to do to turn off the timer is to simply open this settings bar again, find the timer, tap on it, and tap on this option without any kind of countdown on it. Tap on off, and from now on our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.